Hello, today I am going to share with you how to derive or find the liquid level based on the signal distance generated by the level transmitter. This level transmitter shown at here refers to guided wave radar level transmitter. What is guided? Guided means probe. This is the probe, so we call it guided wave radar level transmitter. Whether we use a guided wave radar level transmitter or just a wireless wave radar level transmitter, the concept of calculation remains the same. Okay, so as you can see, this is a tank and this is the water surface. Okay, this is the probe that attached to the level transmitter. Okay, so this line is the minimum range line or the LRV, low range value, or sometimes we call it zero reference line, okay, which corresponds to 0% of the measurement. And this line refers to the maximum range or URV, upper range value, which corresponds to 100% of the measurement. So the level transmitter will generate the electromagnetic wave, and this electromagnetic wave signal will travel from the level transmitter sensor all the way down via the probe until it hit the liquid surface, and the signal will bounce back to the level transmitter, and the time taken by this travel to and back to the level transmitter will be factored in for calculation inside the level transmitter internal algorithm. Then the liquid level will be generated or produced correspondingly. Okay, so in order to calculate the liquid level, we need to know two things: the URV or the maximum range value, as well as the LRV or the minimum range value of both the level transmitter distance as well as the liquid level. So before we come into it, so let me discuss with you what is the meaning of distance and level here. Distance refers to the distance between the level transmitter sensor and the liquid surface. Okay, you can see this dotted line arrow here. This is the distance. It means the distance where the signal travel from the level transmitter sensor to until the water or liquid level surface. Okay, the liquid level refers to the level from the zero reference line as shown here, or the LRV, low range value reference line at 0% to the liquid surface here as shown in this dotted line arrow. Okay, so this is the distance and this is the level. Okay, so in today's example, I have key in the value for both the URV and the LRV. This is just an example. So the maximum range or the URV of the level transmitter distance is 29.4, and the minimum range or LRV of the level transmitter is 103.2 inch. As for the liquid level in the unit of liter, the maximum range or URV is 5,000 liter, and the minimum range or LRV is 480 liter. So what it means is that for the maximum range, the level transmitter signal distance from here to this URV line or the maximum line is 29.40 inch. Okay, as for the LRV or minimum range for this level transmitter distance is 103.20. It means the distance from the level transmitter head until this zero reference line or the LRV low range value reference line is 103.20 inch. As for this 5000 liter, it means the level from this LRV or zero reference line to this to here URV line or upper range value line is 5000 liter. As a 480 liter, it means this is a 480 liter at this LRV line. So this 480 liter is measured from the bottom of the tank all the way to this zero reference line or LRV, this one, low range value line, which corresponds to 0%. So how do we derive these liquid level values? So it's very simple. As I mentioned, once you have the value for both the level transmitted distance and liquid level URV and LRV values, you can actually calculate the corresponding liquid level. How do we do so? Okay, so this zero reference line or the minimum reference line is 480 liter, which refer to the LRV. And this maximum reference line, the level is 5000. This is URV, upper range value. Okay, this one, upper range value. So the corresponding level transmitter signal distance is 29.40 for the URV reference line, and the corresponding LRV or low range value reference line for the level transmitter distance is 103.2. So we can calculate in such a way. It's very easy. Maybe we can draw a line here. Okay, so here is 103.20 inches, and here is 29.40 inches, and this is the distance. Okay, distance refer to the signal distance measured from the level transmitter head to the liquid surface. Here level is 5000 liter and the LRV is 480. Okay, let's say I want to find the corresponding liquid level given the level transmitter distance is 66.3. So how do I find this corresponding liquid level? Okay, let's say I know the distance generated by the level transmitter is 66.3 inch. What is a corresponding liquid level? So in order to calculate this, is very simple. What you need to do is you can use a linear proportional calculation method. This URV minus this LRV proportional to this URV level minus this LRV level, and then this value minus this LRV of the distance proportional to this value minus this LRV of level. So for distance and the level, 29.40 inches minus 103.20 proportional to this 5000 minus 480 liter, and then this one minus this one. So 66.30 inches minus 103.20 inches proportional to this one minus this one. So this liter minus 480 liter. So you will get this one divided by this one multiplied by this one equal to this value. Okay, maybe I use other color. Okay, so what you will get is 66.30 minus 103.20 inches divided by 29.40 minus 103.20 inches multiplied by this one 5,000 minus 480 liter equal to this value. Okay, bracket question mark minus 480 liter. So this question mark is of you can do the calculation by yourself. Finally, you will get this value 270.40 liter, which is this value. So again, you can use the same method as shown here to calculate the other corresponding value of this level and as well as this level. So that's it. Thank you.